Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here on the Wound Up channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions of this Rolex Explorer 39 with the reference number 214270. This watch has very nicely been lent into me by a fellow member of the Nordic watch forum klocksnack.se. So huge thanks to you for that. I've actually been lent another watch of his in the past, and that was the Rolex Submariner 14060 that I reviewed a few months ago. And so now he purchased a new watch. This is of course the Explorer, as I said, and he bought it just a few weeks ago, so it is almost brand new. And before we get into the box, today I'm wearing my Seiko SBDC 065, and I will be reviewing this watch in the following couple of days, so stay tuned for that video. So we got the very usual Rolex packaging. They haven't changed this in quite a few years. And here we have our manual, Oyster Perpetual Explorer. All right. A piece of foam to protect, I would believe, the Rolex crown here. All right, and let's open it up. And there the watch is. Now let's get closer. All right, there we go. So here it is. Let's just briefly run through some of its specifications. It is 39 millimeters in diameter. It's made out of Oyster steel, which is the 904 steel. It's got this very nice and simple black dial with white gold markers and Rolex's proprietary lume, which I'm going to be very interested in checking out. It's got a fully brushed Oyster bracelet, as you can see. It tapers down quite a bit, and the movement inside of this watch is the 3132. So now let's take it out of this part here, and I'm going to give you my first impressions of this watch. This is the first time that I am seeing it, and it is one gorgeous watch. There you go. Wow, just look at that simplistic yet very elegant and timeless dial. This sure is a Rolex classic. And just the finish work here on the sides. The crown is just perfectly sized for this watch. We have the usual boring blank case back of Rolex. Not a huge amount of stuff to see back here. Although we do have a very nice Rolex milled out clasp that is supposed to be kind of the best clasp on the market. So I'm definitely going to be very, very happy about testing this out. But just look at this gorgeous dial. Wow, what a watch. And so yeah, so far I'm very, very impressed with this watch. Seems as though it's got just the perfect proportions. I love this simplistic dial. And the finish work on it is just spectacular. So now let's get it on the wrist and see how it wears on my quite large 19.5 centimeter wrist. All right, you guys, so here is the watch on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. As you can see, it's not too small. It's kind of the perfect size for an everyday go anywhere, do anything watch. It's got 100 meters of water resistance. It has this very simplistic yet toolish look. So it's definitely a one watch guy watch. Just fantastic. So stay tuned for my final review of this watch. It'll probably come up in a week or so. And please do feel free to tell me what you think about this watch in the comment section down below. And like, subscribe for more content just like this. And I'll see you in my future videos. Bye bye.